Good morning, dear students. Today, in English language, we are continuing chapter 13. Today, we will learn about it and they. It. It is used for animals, places, and non-living things. It is singular. So you have to remember this, children, that it is singular. Exercise number 1. Fill it in the following sentences. Number 1. The mobile is ringing. Can you hear it? Children, in this sentence we are talking about mobile. And mobile is a non-living thing and singular. So, we will use it for a mobile here. Number 2. My bottle is empty. Please fill it. Again, in this sentence, bottle is a non-living thing and singular. We are talking about one bottle. So, we will fill it here for bottle. Number 3, it is a book. So, book is again a non-living thing and singular. So, we will fill it here. Number 4, it is an ant. Now see, children, ant is an insect. And animals also include ant. So, we will fill it for an ant here. Number 5. I have a bicycle. It is red in color. So, here in this sentence, bicycle is one. We are talking about one bicycle. So, again, and it is singular and non-living thing. So, we will use it in this sentence for bicycle. Number 6. My dog is healthy because it plays a lot outside. Dog is an animal, children. So, for dog also, we will use it in this sentence. Number 7. I live in Meerut. It is famous for sports goods. Meerut is one city. So, it is singular. So, we will use it in this sentence also. You might know it already that a lot of famous sportsmen use sports items that are made in Meerut. So, in this sentence also we will use it. Now, let's see how to use they. T-H-E-Y, they. They is plural and is used to show two or more people, places, animals or things. You can think, children, that we and they are the same because we and they are used for plural numbers. Plural. But the main difference is that you can't include yourself in they. They means other people. They is always followed by are because it is plural. Exercise number 1. Fill they in the following sentences. Number 1. They are twin sister. Twins are two children who look alike and they are born together. Twin is plural, children. And twin means two. These are two girls, sisters means girls, who were born together. So we will use they in this sentence, because in this sentence we are talking about two sisters. Number 2. Here are my 5 neighbors. They are nice people. In this sentence, children, it is very easy to recognize plural nouns. In this sentence, you have 2 hints. First, 5. You can read the number. It is 5 in numbers. And neighbors, S, means it is plural. So, we will use they here. Number 3. Riya and Vasu study in the same class. They are good friends. Now see, children, Riya and Vasu, they are 2 other children and you are not included here. So, we will fill they in this sentence. Number 4. I saw 2 dresses in a shop. They were blue in color. Now children, you should learn to recognize singular or plural. Now again see, number is here 2 and it is not plural.
फिर से बोलिए नंबर 4.
रोको तो सही.
नहीं, अब बोलिएगा.
Number 4. I saw 2 dresses in a shop. They were blue in color. Now children, you should learn to recognize singular or plurals. Now in this sentence, we are talking about dresses. See, S is here. It means it is plural. And 2 numbers of dresses are 2. So, we will use they here. And the dresses were blue in color. Number 5. They are the best dancers. Dancers is a noun, children, and is plural. So, we will use they in this sentence. Number 6. The cats are hungry. They want food. So, who are we talking about, children? We are talking about the cats. This is not singular. Cat is singular and cats, when S is here, so you can easily recognize that this is plural, and with plural we use they. I hope you understood this lesson very well. Do this work in your English language notebook number 2, children. Thank you.